Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable or disable iPhone power on or off sound. If you want to enable or disable power on or off sound, then here are the process. Tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here scroll down and tap on audio and visual, and here scroll down and you will find the option power on and off sound. Play sound when iPhone is powered on and off. Turn the toggle button on or off to enable or disable power on off sound on your iPhone. That's all.